Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check an oxygen cylinder's expiry date. It's essential for safety to know when your cylinder needs retesting. First, you'll want to find the stamped markings, usually located on the cylinder's shoulder. These engravings contain vital information about the cylinder's history and its next required inspection. Make sure the area is clean and well lit so you can clearly read all the details. Once you've located the markings, focus on the test dates. You'll typically see a month and a 2-digit year, sometimes with a symbol in between. This date tells you when the cylinder last underwent a hydrostatic test, which checks its structural integrity. For most oxygen cylinders, this critical safety test is required every 5 years to ensure it can safely hold high pressures. Some cylinders have special markings that alter their retest schedule. If you see a star symbol, like an asterisk, after the test date, it means the cylinder qualifies for a 10-year retest interval instead of the usual 5 years. Additionally, a plus symbol indicates that the cylinder can be safely filled to 10% above its standard service pressure. These markings are important for understanding the cylinder's specific requirements. Understanding these dates is crucial because a cylinder with an overdue test date cannot be legally refilled. While the oxygen gas inside doesn't truly expire, the cylinder's structural integrity must be regularly verified for safety. If your cylinder's test date is approaching or past due, contact your oxygen supplier. They can guide you through the retesting process and ensure your cylinder remains safe for continued use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.